Crypto billionaire is back with another in-depth technical analysis video for all of you guys that are selling. Guys, it's a beautiful day in the markets. Beautiful day in the markets. Beautiful day in the markets. My goodness gracious me. Look at this support line we have just hit, my friends. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that freaking subscribe button for daily in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON freaking Mars. All of you that are joining the Patreon, we just got like 3 more. We probably have 14 spots left, so hurry up and get them because they're going to be gone, and you guys are going to be missing some major buying opportunities. I've been hitting them up in the Patreon all day long, and you guys on the YouTube have been waiting for this one video. All right, guys. Last video, we drew the support line right around this area. And what the heck did we do, my friends? What the heck did we do? We went to the bottom of the support line and we saw big buying pressure. That's exactly what we need to see. Is big buying pressure at the bottom of the support line. Alright, let's get serious. And real serious. It's time for fun. Not right now, not anymore. Alright, let's look at this. Huge two big selling candles with volume, all right? This is a good sign, this is a bad sign. Good sign because it scares all the weak-handed people out. If you have sold your bags, I feel extremely sorry for you right now. And I feel like you should have been in the Patreon because, oh my gosh, you would have made so much more money. If you sell for a loss, it's your fault, okay? It's your fault. You guys need to HODL. It's that easy. But for real, let's get serious. I'll get into the in-depth technical analysis right now. We went right down to the bottom of this 1250 level, bottom of the rectangle that we drew last video. Saw buying pressure. Now, this is what we need to see moving forward in order for it to continue looking bullish. In order for this chart to continue looking like it will reverse, this is what we need to see. We need to see this candle close above this 1250 level. Boom, right? The next green candle needs to come up to at least this 1360 level and close with volume, all right? That's what we need to see in order for it to indicate a reversal pattern. Now, if it closes above this resistance line, 1423, my friends, we are chilling. We are in a reversal pattern. But yes, that's what we need to look for is a big green candle coming through. Let's say we don't see that. On the bearish side, this is what we need to look for. We need to look for this candle to close near this support line around the 1260 area. All right, if this candle closes down there and we see another big red candle with volume moving to the downside, then we need to watch this area next for support, my friends. Let's get right in depth to this. We need to watch these 8s and 10s. All right, 10s will be the top, 8s will be the bottom. Reason I say that 10 is a psychological barrier that is taking off a 0. Therefore, many whales will have their buy orders at that 10. This gets real easy once you get the hang of it. All right, that's what we need to look for. My friends, this is a beautiful time in the markets. Whenever you see the asset you are following down over 15%, you need to consider adding bags. My friends, we have done our research. We have done our you know what I'm trying to say. We have done all our information that we need to see on this coin. All right, the marketing is amazing. The people behind this coin are amazing. It is all around the world. It is the top 3rd meme coin in the world. Crypto.com is buying massive bags of this so they can release the limits once the market begins to turn around. And my friends, I just want to go back into, I have not looked at this. I've literally been surfing all morning, all right? This has not even been on my mind, my friends. I've been enjoying life, living life. If you guys are stressing over the charts, you seriously need to consider getting in the Patreon for your own mental sake. All right, look at this. What the markets are doing are showing, we are showing support around this 55, 56 level. That is good. However, I would really like to see some more fear in the markets. I really would like this Bitcoin to drop to around this 54 level. If that happens, fear and greed index will move over into the 30s. We will be looking amazing, my friends. Now, it's quite the opposite of what most people think, and that's exactly the point, my friends. You got to do what is opposite of you have to do what opposite of what everybody else is doing in order to make money in these markets. And my goodness, if you guys are seriously considering day trading or swing trading or trading with technical analysis, then you need to email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. There's a pre-sale out right now of my course. It is 75% off. You guys will learn everything, absolutely everything you need to know in order to make consistently profitable trades and see what everybody else is thinking, all right? So Bitcoin, I would like to see it drop a little bit more just to stir up those weak-handed retail traders that got in around here. Look at this fake out. That is hilarious. The whales pushed it up, sold some bags. Retail traders have been accumulating here. The whales bought it up to make it look like a bowl formation, a doji candle, and then it just so these people are like, oh my god, my investments. My friends, HODL strong. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. It's such a nice time in the markets. I like seeing dips better than I do spikes. I don't know why my brain just kind of stuttered there, but I like because it is extremely exciting to see an extreme discount that everyone can take advantage of, but nobody looks at it this way. If you guys are watching this channel, you guys have a serious upper hand on most of the people that are investing in crypto. My friends, that's what we need to look for. Let me make it real simple for you guys, all right? It doesn't get simpler than this. Let me grab the brush tool, my friends. All right, we need to close anywhere above this 1256 level on this red candle, all right? Now this, let's back up. In order to see this chart show strong support here, which makes it have a higher possibility to do a reversal. Ooh, I like this song. Then this is what we need to see. All right. This is what we need to see. We need to see a green candle coming up to the 14 levels. All right, around the 14 levels, 1360s. It needs to close there with volume. Next green candle needs to test this. It will probably show some selling pressure, which is completely normal. But it needs to close above this 1431 level. That's what we need to see in the next 8 hours, my friends. Now, if we don't see that, then this is what we need to see. All right, to the downside, this is what I'm going to see. All right, I need to stop rapping because I really can't. I'm so excited. To the downside, we need to watch these 10 levels, all right? And this is what we need to watch for to see a breakdown to those 10 levels. We need to see this red candle close near this bottom support line, which means this support line is not support anymore. But look at all this buying pressure we're having. All right. But that's what we need to see. And then we need to see the next 4-hour candle close below this 1253 level. If that happens, it's an indication we are heading to the 10s. 10s is the next major level of psychological support. But my friends, it all depends what Bitcoin does. I hope it goes down to the 10s. Get the major bags in there. But I don't know. We just gotta wait and see. All I do is read the charts for you guys. I can give you predictions all day long, and all the time those predictions are correct. But my friends, this time we are waiting on confirmation. I'm not going to predict if the price goes up or down. We are waiting on this next 8 hours to see where these candles close. And then I will give an accurate prediction on when the price goes up. So right now you need to hodl your bags. I can't give you that advice because it's opinions. My opinion is that I am not selling anything. I am waiting for confirmation in order to average more bags into this beautiful coin, okay? And I suggest you consider doing that as well. Wow, perfectly ended with the video. Hit that subscribe button, Crypto Billionaire 69. Daily in-depth technical analysis. Chart's looking beautiful. We are hitting the 0.5 on the fib level. We're amazing. Actually, I want to draw that out for you guys, all right? Fib level. We drew it out last video. Let's draw it out again, all right? Swing low, swing high. Swing low, swing high. Boom, boom. We broke the fib level. All right, that's normal. That's okay, all right? Again, we need to see buying pressure here. That's what we need to see, is a candle closing above exactly what I said, okay? Exactly above what I said. Around this 1370, 1350 level. All right, 1360 level. We need to see a green candle closing in there. That will indicate strong support line at this 1231. Beautiful, guys. If you got in at this 1231 level, oh my gosh. Good job. Very good job. You set your limit orders. You got in. You're making money. My friends. Crypto Billionaire 69. Subscribe for daily in-depth technical analysis videos on DOGELON Mars. And in-depth daily analysis on the market sentiment and where Bitcoin can go. Because I've been kind of catering towards the overall market lately. And Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Guys, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Go surfing. Go vibe out. If it's a beautiful day out, go take advantage of that. If you're at work, go take advantage of that. Just be in the moment, my friends. We only got one life. One life. All right? And one opportunity to invest in crypto. My friends, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.